Strings package. Package strings is a package that contains functions for manipulating the string data type. There are lots of functions that we can use. Several functions in package strings. You can see many functions that can be used in this string package. Okay, as usual, we create a Go string file. Next, we bolt on the play package. Okay, let's start by creating a crib str with the value hello world. First, we calculate the length of the string str using the len function. Next, we will calculate the length of the string by creating a length variable with a value using the length function. Then we print the results. Next, we convert the string to uppercase using the strings to upper function. This transforms all characters in the string to uppercase letters. We create a strupper variable by calling the strings package and the tupper function. Then we print the results. Similarly, we convert the string to lowercase using the strings to lower function. This transforms all characters in the string to lowercase letters. Create a str_lower variable by calling the strings package and the tupper function. Then we print the results. We then check if the string contains the substring world using the strings contains function. This function returns true if the substring is found in the string, and false otherwise. Now we create a replace substring. We create a new str variable with the replace function. We replace the substring world with Golang using the strings replace function and print the modified string. Split function. This creates a slice named pieces containing individual substrings separated by commas. We then print out the individual substrings in the pieces sliced to the console, indicating that we have split the original string into multiple pieces. Next, we join the elements of the pieces sliced into a single string with a space separator using the strings join function. This creates a new string named join by concatenating the substrings in the pieces sliced with spaces between them. Finally, we print out the newly joined string join to the console, indicating that we have merged the individual substrings back into a single string with spaces between them.
Okay, let's run it. And here are the results.